I just bagged over $300,000 in literally minutes, and dude, it was like hitting the jackpot. If you're wondering how I made this happen and want to stack some serious money too, stick around because I'm going to spill all the secrets right here. Check out this coin I launched. In just a few minutes, it exploded over 500% from my initial investment. If you're into trading, you might be used to studying trends, tracking highs and lows, or relying on indicators. But here's the hack. Just create your own coin, let it pump, and cash out. It's that easy, guys. Free money, no stress. You guys may know that I've been in the meme coin game for quite some time now, so I'll reveal the secret sauce to you. You've got to start launching your own meme coins. I've mastered the strategy, and I'm sharing it with you guys right here. Trading was driving me nuts. The unpredictability and the risk of losing everything on random coins was just too much to handle, man. That's why I started researching like crazy. And dude, I found the holy grail. After testing this new strategy, I can confidently say you'll make money 90% of the time, and it only takes a few minutes, literally. Here's what I've learned. There's a reason I moved from buying coins to creating them. For example, platforms like pump.fun make it super simple for anyone to launch a coin in just a few minutes, and it's super low cost. Right now, you can watch new coins being created nonstop. But here's the deal. If you're using PumpFun to start a meme coin, you're already setting yourself up to lose. Because it's so easy and cheap that nobody's going to take your coin seriously unless it's something truly one of a kind. The big issue with PumpFun is how insanely easy it is to use, resulting in hundreds of new tokens being created every minute. More serious and higher quality projects usually skip PumpFun and head to other dexes instead. Since PumpFun is so beginner friendly, it's flooded with low quality, bullshit, low effort tokens. Meanwhile, Radium, which is another dex, tends to attract projects that actually build momentum, folks. And there, on Radium, you'll find market caps like 2 billion, while on PumpFun, most tokens can't even hit 9K. Here's the reality. Platforms like Radium aren't for everyone because you either need to know how to code or pay someone who does. So that's why the projects there tend to be more legit and grow bigger, where people actually put in the work. For average folks like us, it's a sheer climb because it's all about tech skills and smart contracts. And yeah, if you look at the numbers, Radium tokens usually have way higher market caps than PumpFun. Okay, listen up, folks. I discovered this platform called launchtool.io, and it's just wild how fast you can create a meme coin on Radium. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get your coin live within minutes. This is seriously cutting edge, friends. Like, Radium is super legit because it's backed by actual developers. But here's the giant kicker. Launching your own coin is way easier than you'd think. Not sure how much longer this will fly under the radar, but right now it's absolutely crushing the game. When I think about launching a meme coin, the first thing I do is check out what's trending right now. My secret sauce? Well, that's focusing on Elon coins. Of course, a lot of people stick to the same old Pepe or Trump themes, but I like to build my coins around Elon themes mostly. So let's not waste any more time, and let me show you how to launch your token. First step is creating a logo for our coin. And you do that by hitting on Custom Size button. For both the width and height, put 128 pixels and just click Create New Design. Then go to Uploads, upload image for your coin, insert it in here, and adjust it as you like. After you've done that, you just click on Share and simply download the logo like I did. So now, guys, we just go back to Launch Tool, and here we use the name and the symbol for our own coin. In name section, I'll put Musk Money Coins, and for the symbol, I'll put MMC. For the description, I'll put this sentence I created, and you can put something related to your token. So now just upload logo you made and hit next. For the settings, You really don't want to change anything, folks. So again, click next. So this is the important part, guys. You really want to switch off this option here because you save 0.1 Solana and it would be just a waste of money, right? So here we see social media links, but I never attach any media links, so you don't need to as well. But if you want, feel free to do that, of course. Now we have revoke authority options, and this is a very important part of token creation. You do not want to touch these settings, guys. Like, you can see this revoke mint option that it says mint authority allows you to mint more supply of your token. And tell me, which buyer would want to invest in coin if they know that you are able to change the amount of tokens that is in whole circulation? And that is just an example. So do not touch this settings if you want to attract more and more buyers of your coin. So we launch our token and wait until our wallet pops up and hit on confirm over here. Here we see that our coin is created. You now have options to check any info that you want to see about your coin. We can now click view on SolScan. And as you can see, our coin exists on Solana network. We go back to Launch Tool and click Create Liquidity Pool for our coin. Then we will be sent to Radium. If your wallet isn't connected like this, just connect it manually. So now we go to Base Token over here, then go back to Launch Tool and make sure to copy your token address, then go back to Radium and paste the address in the search tab like this. In symbol tab, I'll put MMC, and for name Musk Money Coin, it's simple as that. And then just click Add User Token. Now about the supply, we have 1 billion supply here, and I do recommend adding 900 million to Liquidity Pool. When you do that, we want to choose our quote token. And of course, you always want to put Solana. So just click on Max, and remember that you can put everything into the pool because there ain't no possible way you can lose your money. You are literally first buyer, so that's why. Then you want to lower it by 0.2 Solana because you will have to pay for the creation fee that you can see here. About fee tier, put 2%. And folks, after all of that, click on Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm the transaction. Then, your coin will be officially available for trading, and you will be able to make enormous profits in basically very little time. So guys, go back to Dex Screener, and we need to copy the address of the coin that we launched. So click on Random Coin, let it load, and go back to Launch Tool to copy your token address. Again, go back to Dex Screener and paste your address into the search bar. Check this out. This is the Musk Money coin I just launched, and just look how much it exploded. Once your token is up and running, you can trade it, sell it, or even rug the liquidity big time if you're curious about how a rug pull works. Just for educational insights, obviously. This is the expert strategy of the big boys. They head over to Radium, pull up the portfolio tab, link their wallet, click the minus icon, and just like that, cash out, and they make thousands of dollars daily this way. Just so you know, I'm not associated with Radium, Photon, or Launch Tool, but I'll drop their website links below for you to check out. What else can I tell you, man? Just better do this soon, as this method won't be in front of your face for so long.